$.
Hold on, run. Oh my god, what does Doc look like?
You buy first shotgun?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh!
What if he shoots it?
He doesn't have any shotgun shells.
Oh, there's a robot. Max is dead.
What is that?
Max the robot.
He's like,
What is he doing?
What is that? What,
He's out of
what is that? What is that? Oh no! No! Please! It's not like I'm in a shooting game. First person shooter.
And I'm with Drake.
Make yourself at home. To complete the onboarding process, you will want to check the instruction manual assigned into your ship.
200!
That was not that guy! How to spell ammo again?
What do you mean you don't know how to spell ammo?
Ammo. Is it AMO? Just buy a bunch of ammo. I guess.
Whoops. I wasn't even aiming at him.
Colin, you
Dude,
deserve
I
that
wasn't
so
even
much.
aiming. I wasn't even aiming at you.
It's a shotgun, Colin. It has spread.
Goodbye, world. Hey, keep it on going, yeah, hey, keep it on going, yeah, hey.
I hear something outside.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
What is this?
Oh.
Oh my god!
Oh no!
Ow!
No! Oh no!
Oh, he's on
No!
me! He's on me!
Just go.
I don't know.
No shotgun?
I got it.
Okay. We need
I'm out of here.
Back to the ship, back to the ship!
Wait, are these guys even killable?
I think so. It just takes
Buy
a lot
ammo.
of health though.
Drake, where's your shotgun?
Yeah, Drake. Whip it
It's
out.
my inventory.
Hey, Yo! That's such a doctor disrespect thing to say.
Who the frick is that?
What?
Who is that? Who is
Oh
that?
yeah, this mod, it said there's people. Oh, yo. Oh! Okay, we good.
Okay. Doctor disrespect.
This is
Yo.
so weird. No!
It's a mansion.
Oh, it's mansion.
This is sick. Ah!
Oh my god!
Trap!
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Guys,
Oh.
Guys? Okay.
building
we're
coil
here.
heads. Where do I go?
I don't know, Colin, figure it out.
Grab everything and leave! Grab everything and leave! Pick it up! God.
Wait. I kind of want to see what that
Leave it
thing
in the
is though. I
elevator,
want to
leave
see
it
what
in
the
the
jack-o'-lantern is. I want to see what the jack-o'-lantern is.
Jack-o'-lantern? Colin, you stay.
Where am I?
It's... Oh god.
Bodhi, he opens up.
I know. Oh my god.
Colin?
Colin, we said... Goku! Goku! Oh my god! Oh my god, what is that?
Colin's gonna stay!
Colin, stay!
Alright.
Where'd he go?
Where was Goku?
Goku's down there. Where'd that Jack-in-the-Box guy go? Stay, Colin!
Go in! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Colin, go in, actually. What is that?
Oh, there's a nutcracker. That's why he
Colin,
left.
go in. Oh, he's in there?
Oh,
I'm ready to exit.
Go in there and shoot him! I
yeah.
I don't have a gun.
What do you mean you don't have a
What?
gun? Why'd you shoot at the coil head?
Because I thought it was a different monster.
Ah! Next. Wait, Colin, stay out here. Oh, shoot.
No, we gotta go. Oh, we gotta go.
Dude, it's 10:43. We're
I
not
know.
making it.
We're so dead, bro.
There's gonna be a million monsters.
I know. We can make it. We're right here.
Oh yeah, it's literally not that far.
Drop the shotgun.
Why am I glitching so hard? I don't see any monsters thus far. Be quiet. didn't even know I was there. Kill him.
You watched the mod video?
Good shot, Colin.
Oh, you are not that guy.
It's not that guy.
What do you mean? Obviously, it's not gonna kill you guys since.
You tell me you just bought ammo, you didn't buy shotguns?
I tried to!
Yes. Dude, why is your keyboard so loud?
I don't know, it's my mic. It picks up every single small detail.
Alright.
It's after Colin. Come on. Come on. Come on. I've been waiting. Alright.
Let's see what.
There's more monsters in here than mansion, it feels like.
Yeah.
Okay. This pie's really good. You heard that, right?
Oh, little guy.
We got him. No! Where is he? Shoot him with me.
It didn't work!
Time to reload. Yeah, together, but we don't. Colin. Drake.
Crazy.
Just look at the flowers. Just look at the flowers.
I don't see anything there.
Oh shoot! They're not cooked.
Cooked. Let's get her big, you shot him.
Run!
Bro, say the forest keeper, we're so cooked.
You know the funny thing? When that thing that came over and killed Bodhi, I was the one that made the news and they killed Bodhi. Okay, be quiet. It's Bodhi, dead body.
Shush.
Oh my god. Clutching. That music was playing.
Oh yeah,
Music was
I know, I
playing in
can
that
hear
main
it.
lobby.
Bro!
Here, can y'all shoot him with me?
Sure.
I just need somebody else to shoot him too.
Sure.
Colin! Did I kill it?
Oh, you
Did I
killed
kill
it.
it?
Yeah, you killed it.
No way! I'm crazy!
Alright, let's go. Where's Colin?
I think he's still in the ship.
Colin, what are you doing?
Yeah, you can hear his abnormally loud keyboard.
No!
Oh.
No! Dang it!
I was so close.
I don't know.
Goku!
Where?
Goku!
No indication of dying.
Bro, I swear auto shot. It auto shot.
Alright, it's that's the guard stuff.
No chill. Oh! Yep, Goku.
Guys, be careful, the mask guy is dirty.
No! Kill him!
Got him!
Let's try to get back.
We're so dead, bro. There's no way.
You know what, Colin? You are a very highly... I bought a cruiser, by the way.
She says she from the... Where's Bodhi?
Colin, get out! Look! Colin, get out! Colin, get out! Colin, look! Oh, He died through the cruiser.
Oh.
Or I guess now you can call it a crasher.
Yeah, bruh. That's what you get.
You died through the freaking car.
Dude,
Oh my god.
I'm waiting for my shotgun
Switch
to be
to
delivered. I see the shadow. I look up and it's just this big truck.
The truck is refreshing.
Crasher.
I already have a shotgun.
I'm gonna just turn on.
Oh! Yo!
Can you shoot him? Let's go! Unfortunately, Colin watched it, so we only have like 10 minutes.
Colin killed himself.
Where's the door? Let's go. Crusher? Bruh.
No. How did Bodie live for so long?
I don't know.
Colin, we didn't mean to shoot you with an accident.
Yeah. I meant to
Both accidentally shot me.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Like I was turning away to go back
You
to the
know-
ship and it auto shot.
It's kind of hard to believe you.
As you have not met the profit goal, your performance has been below
Sounds like a you problem, Joe.
Love you boys.
Welcome to our disciplinary
Love you, boy.
Love you boys.
When's your new emote?
No!
Uh,